Hi guys, in this video we will see review and recipe of chamomile tea by the brand Kettle. So this 25 tea bag pack has MRP of rupees 240 but it is available for 190, which means each tea bag will cost you rupees 7.60 only. And chamomile tea is a herbal tea made from the dried flowers of the chamomile plant and it is a caffeine free. To make this tea, just add a tea bag to the cup of boiling water and allow it to infuse for 2-3 minutes, and this cup will have only 2 calories. Chamomile tea is known for its soothing benefits. It's often consumed for its potential health benefits also. It provides relaxation and sleep aid, digestive aid, anti-inflammatory properties, and it also helps to ease the pain from menstrual cramps. Since it is caffeine free, so one can consume it during night time also, but not more than 2 to 3 times a day. So coming to the taste, the aroma is flower based and the flavor is subtle, not too strong, so it goes easy on your senses and does its job well. It has floral earthy note and a slight sweet aftertaste. The flavor is mild, floral, and as I told you, slightly sweet, and most importantly it's a caffeine free tea, making it a popular choice for evening consumption also. And chamomile tea can be enjoyed any time of the day, so give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.